Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know problems arise regularly when involving math because math can be a very tricky subject, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a great website that can be of assistance to students that are struggling with different math subjects. The website is located on the screen, and there are various games and activities that are available to play, and I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the different activities that I know can be of assistance for the students. So this is the website. When you click on the link, it's called abcyad.com. There's different grades, there's different types of activities, there's word games, and here are the math games. So the first one that I noticed that can really help are the base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks are used throughout the year in class. There are these different cubes. We have the thousands, we have the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. And when the students are doing math problems and they need something to work with, if you don't have base 10 blocks at home, this is a great site that you can work with the base 10 blocks without actually having them. Students know what base 10 blocks are, they know how to use them, so having them here ready to assist any kind of problem is a great tool for the students. The other one that I know can be very good for the students is this interactive number chart. On many name tags in the classroom, the students have this on their name tags, so being able to have it on the computer and their home is a great tool. So they can pick a color here, say they put it on 36, and let's say the problem is 36 plus 12. So they can pick a different color and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 48. So then they know 36 plus 12 is 48. Now, I realize that easier solution, but if they understand, they could just have gone 36 plus 10 plus 2. But that is something different that we will eventually learn in the classroom. So having this number chart is a great assistance because they already know how to use it. Another one that I saw that was very helpful was the addition with manipulatives. A lot of students learn best when they have manipulatives to use when doing math. So having this marble math addition, they give the problem here. They have the different options. They have the manipulatives, so they can go 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 0, and then they click 4, and that's the answer. It'll keep spitting out the different questions for the students to do. They can put the manipulatives in the boxes to help show 1, 2, 3 plus 0 equals 3. Along with those three I showed, there are tons of different ones. There's learning about coins, learning to tell time. Such a great resource for the students to use. I know a lot of parents are skeptical about letting the students use games, but here's an article that shows how math video games really do improve mathematical skills. This program was created by this designer, Ben Harrison, and after the students were done with it, there was a huge increase in the fluency with addition, subtraction, division. So just in case some parents are skeptical, this is reassurance that it's not a bad thing. Games can help in many, many different ways. So to finish up here, to the parents, just use that as a resource for additional help. Even if students aren't necessarily struggling, it's good to have the different components of it. And, it's always good to have the little extra practice. There's not just math games on there, and then, each student learns differently, and it's a great way for students to be able to learn how they learn by different games. And this video was recorded using Screencast-O-Matic, and all the games can be found under that link. Thank you guys, and have a good day.